Biggs Wheels here for another video. As you see, we got some dirt bike bars here, Pro Tapers. The only reason is right here, if you see that, it's a little bent here. That's fixed for right now. On what we did, crashed the bike in a lot session, bent the subframe here, sub cage is fucked up too. See that, it's all real fucked up. It's part of it, you know. Build it, break it, fix it, go out again. But today we're going to be working on the dirt bike bars, installing those. And with the 0506, you're going to have to place these a little farther back, and hopefully that works. If not, we're going to be running these clip-ons till I can get this part in. Man, yeah. Other than that, the cage did its job. Lost the puck there. Did its job there. I got little scrapes here, cracks in that. Flipped twice, landed on my back. Not too bad. Though I'm not hurt really all that much. It's just more the bike's in a little rough shape. So we're going to try and get it all back into one piece and go and test it out today. We're going to leave the subframe like this for now until I can find one on eBay or Craigslist or something, or if someone's got one on Facebook, or you guys got one, shout me out. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so got the bars off, got this shit done with it. What you want to do next is going to be lining this up to where it's not going to hit the bar there, or the fork there. So if you look through, it's not going to hit. So probably screwed it back just right there or so. So we'll probably drill it right in there. You want to take a drill, get on, and start going. So yeah, just mark our marks here. Alright, so those look pretty good there. Let's line up the... Alright, so you want to take these, pretty much put them right where you want, just like that. That should work there. That should work there. Put it right there. Just want to eyeball it pretty much, and looks pretty good right there. I think we're going to go with that. So just like that, and then you want to just take your drill and then start drilling into them. Get them all the way through. So this might take a minute to drill through, but it is pretty thick, or pretty thick there, and then thin on the other side. So I'll let you know when I get the holes through. Alright guys, got the holes through. I started on this one making it a little bit bigger for the bolt here. You want to get it just big enough for the actual bolt, so you want to find a drill bit. There we go. There you guys go. That's how you see how my tank gets all beat up here. But don't worry, we're going to be denting that in. But you want to be getting these the bolt size just right in there. And then after that, like this size, I did a smaller one just to get through. As you see, I screwed it up a little bit, but that's alright, because we're going to have it about the same size as that one, or have that one the same size as that there. And then all you want to do is take your drill bit here and your drill, and you just want to keep going, make the hole big enough just for the bolt to get through. So just keep working at it. You'll get through. Just like that. And then once you get the bolts in, then you're able to put the risers on there, put your bars on. And like I said, for the 0506, you want to put them just a little bit farther back, so that way you can not have to raise it up for the bars, or for your forks here, because these are a bit bigger than the 0304s that I had on there before, which the bars would have worked before. Other than that, we'll be getting the holes to the right size for the bolts. So I'll check back in with you once I get the bolt sizes all done here. Alright guys, so we're back with drilling through. Got enough for both the bolts to go through like that. Pretty freaking good. So we're going to put the bar on just to make sure it doesn't hit the forks or anything. And I don't have to readjust nothing. So, let's see how it goes here. Look at that. Perfect. Just like that. A little wiggle room just cause, but we'll be fine. We'll tighten it up and everything and should be good to go. So yeah, if you do have a lowered bike, I would recommend putting it up to mostly I mean, if you have an 0304, it's going to be a little less dramatic on it, but if you have 0506 upgraded on your 0304, I would definitely recommend putting it towards the back for it, and then you'll be fine to start tightening them up, put them on, and be good to go. So and also if you you haven't cleaned your forks in a while, I'll go ahead and do that. Clean those up while you get everything off pretty much, and then yeah, get everything adjusted to where you want it. That's what we're going to go ahead and do. Also, if you have some washers, I would recommend it, just because you're going to need it for all that there. So let's grab like 4. Put them on there. If you can get some shorter bolts, that'd probably work better for you. Just like that. And actually, I'd probably recommend just taking them off. Taking your triple tree off here. And if you need to raise this up, I'd recommend putting a jack here. If you have a stunt cage here, you just put it right in the middle of there. Just jack it up slowly. Make sure your bike won't fall over, and then as you do that, the front wheel will come up a little bit. You just untighten these. You'll hammer the top of the forks, and it should push these down enough if you have them loose enough. And then after that, tighten these back up before you do anything to this top tree to put it back on. So we're going to take that off there. So we're going to take this off here. Unloosen these 2 bolts on each side. Take this nut off here. Take that washer off. Just set that right there for now. And then what you can do is just wiggle it up. I might put some more washers on there. Might as well. We got a lot from work anyway, so. Right, this is where you see my OCD kick in right here. Gotta have enough washers on each side. Alright, put that like that. So take that guy, flip him over, make sure that's in there. Start going with it. So what I would actually recommend doing is putting the bars on then. There. Put the bars on. Get this going so that way they don't turn on you. Just like that. Now we'll throw this on. Tighten that guy up. Tighten this one up, then we'll get them straight on there. If you have an impact, it might be a little bit faster, but I don't. Again, shout out to the roommate for letting me use his tool over there so I can get my stuff done here. Alright, now let's actually tighten this guy down. Make sure they're straight. Hold it down. Get that tight. Get this side tight. Throw this on. And that way you can get your nut back on there. I use vice grips for that one. This is the ghetto garage, if you want to call it. I'll take that bar off, put the fork nut back on, or axle nut back on. See, we'll hammer this down real fast. Just like that. Then we're going to take this guy, because that's what we use. Throw that washer back on, throw that axle nut back on. And we got the bars salved. Clip that. Tighten that down pretty good. Bam, there we go. Do that. We're gonna throw these on. Get them in there nice and snug. Get these ones in there. Yeah, everyone I was at the lot with told me, man, clip-ons bend so fast and blah blah blah. And always heard good reviews on them, so I went with them. And now look at where we're at. Putting these guys on, putting dirt bike bars on. So, let's figure out what those sizes are. Get that all lined up and ready. Alright, I'll sit on the bike. Make sure this is where I want them. I like that. Alright, so, get this guy on now. There we go. Way faster than this fucking wrench. Do not strip these ones. Get them nice, tight, snug, whatever you want to say. Alright, that should do it right there. That's how you get dirt bike bars on your bike right there. Little getaway, I guess you want to say. Looks a lot cleaner though, already. And if you haven't already had, if you haven't already put on your, if you haven't already had brake cables, like got new ones on there, I would definitely recommend throwing on some longer cables, which I already did. So these should work for this application. If not, good luck to you. You're gonna have to really stretch them out. On clip-ons you have to stretch them out. On dirt bike bars you really have to stretch them out. So definitely wish you good luck. And this, I'll probably have to undo both of these again and throw them on, which is fine. Might have to do that to this guy here. So, get all your things on. We're gonna come back when I'm done with that. Alright guys, just got it all put back together. See how it feels. Brakes are good right there. Rear brake there. Clutch there. I like it. Turn. Should be no problem. So there we go, guys. Got some new grips on there. Got the Pro taper bars on there. And that's how you guys put dirt bike bars on a stunt bike. So, alright guys. This is it for the tutorial of, or a how-to on getting dirt bike bars on a sports bike. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit a like. If you got any more questions, throw them in the comments below. Other than that, guys, it's Biggs Wheels signing off here. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Remember, be safe, stay lucky. Peace.